Hey guys, in the great words of Eminem, crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Today's video, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have seen my stories like 2 weeks ago. I don't know why it took me so long to get around to doing this video. I am sorry about that, but anyway, I just wanted to address that. As you can see, we have some Stella Artois bottles behind us because we're doing a DIY wildflower vase. I thought this was such a cute idea. Some of you guys suggested it. I was already kind of thinking something like this. How, might you ask, will we be doing a DIY wildflower vase? Well, you guys already have the supplies at home. If you are not of age, of drinking age, you can ask your parent, probably, for a beer bottle. Flowers are free. Go in your backyard and pick them. You know what to do. And we've got scissors and we have our wildflower stickers, the most important ingredient. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys, this project is gonna be so easy. We're gonna finish our beer while doing it because we don't waste beer in this house or anything for that matter. So I picked Stella Artois because it tastes good and because they have really attractive bottles. What I want to do is just literally put the stickers on the bottle, cut them out into cute shapes. But let's go ahead and keep the Stella Artois label because it's Stella. We love Stella. Who doesn't love Stella? Heineken lovers. I have all my Wildflower stickers in one place. A while back, Wildflower actually sent me this little baggie. It's kind of perfect to store my stickers in. Thank you, Wildflower. And they sealed that bag with this sticker that has Devin's name on it. Some of you guys might have the sticker as well. A while back, when they sent me my jewel case, they actually sent these little jewels that we talked about, but we never used. And that's actually in this video right here. So we are gonna try to use those today. As you guys know, I have this massive stack of Wildflower stickers that I normally make it rain on you guys with. Which we're not gonna do today. But anyway, we also have the Antonio Garza sticker, which is a little bit taller. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but I have an idea. So let's cut some stickers into some shapes and see what we come up with. Let's literally peel our stickers off and place them on our bottle. Try not to touch the back of the sticker too much, of course, because we need that to be as tacky and sticky as possible. Apply some pressure so we can make sure it sticks and doesn't peel up. Now for these ones that don't have a distinctive shape, I decided to get a dry erase pen and draw whatever shape we want to cut it out. We are going to go ahead and cut right along the lines of the shape that I just drew. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for fun. And because we used a dry erase pen, we can go ahead and wipe away the excess pen marks. You see? All gone. Let's go ahead and find a home for this bad boy. About right here. Now I just want to go ahead and use some whole stickers without cutting them to kind of create another look. To get a nice balanced look, let's go ahead and wrap the entire beer nozzle with our Shrooms case sticker. We're almost done. I don't have this Wildflower case, but let's go ahead and use the sticker. They sent it to me anyhow in one of my packages. I think it's pretty cute. Found some place to put our little jewels from our jewel case. Just go ahead and stick them wherever they fit in. These are the finished products. They all turned out so different, but so fetch. This is giving me Mean Girls right here. Is this not Regina George's Wildflower vase? Yeah, it is. This one is giving me Gretchen. This is definitely Miss Gretchen from Mean Girls. This right here, yeah, super preppy. And this one's giving me Avril Lavigne, you know? This one is just Avril Lavigne, very rocker chic, pink, misunderstood album, yeah. I just went ahead and filled our DIY Stalatra water bottle. Do I say a 12 weird? I might. I just went ahead and filled them with water. So let's go ahead and do our little flower arrangement. This is a bottle cap still left over. Woo. And you guys, these look amazing. I'm not gonna brag, but I'm gonna actually brag. They look amazing. They're so colorful and just a fun little spring summer project. I had fun. You can do this while you're watching a movie, while you're watching something on Netflix, eating some ice cream. This is just a fun little thing to keep your hands busy, and I enjoyed myself. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as well. Let me know what other DIY projects you want to see from me. Definitely stay tuned for more Wildflower inspired DIY projects, obviously. Sorry, the beer got to my head and it is still in my head. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my face, but if you don't want to follow me, at least go over to my Instagram and show some love and like some of my pictures. If you are still watching the video at this point, leave me a yellow flower emoji in the comment section, or tell me what the weather's like in your city today, or your state, or your country today. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments down below. I really want to know. And are you gonna do this DIY project? Let me know. I have to know. Also, for the people who are still watching, don't forget to enter my Wildflower Cases gift card giveaway. More details about the giveaway will be right up here in this video, but you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below with a video suggestion of a video you want to see me do in the future, and give this video a thumbs up to enter. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye.